Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make this jerk chicken in the oven and festival. Here I have a 5 pound chicken. I cut it in two, clean it and wash it with lime and vinegar. Now I'm going to make the jerk seasoning. So to my skillet, I add cinnamon stick, nutmeg and pimento. To the blender, I add fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, ginger, scallion, brown sugar, my all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon stick, the pimento, and the nutmeg, and grace browning. Now I blend until it comes smooth. Now I'm going to put it inside a mason jar. Here I season the chicken, onion powder, garlic powder, my all-purpose seasoning, and the jerk seasoning I just make. Now I massage the seasoning in the chicken, allow it to marinate for 2 hours. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Here I'm going to make the festival. So I add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl. I add butter, add sugar, add baking powder, salt, and cornmeal. To my milk, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Now I combine all the dry ingredients together. Here I'm going to add the milk or liquor by liquor until form the dough. So liquor by liquor as needed. You don't want to add too much one time because you don't want to spoil the dough. Too much will make the dough come out sticky. So you add it a liquor by liquor. Now to my skillet, I'm going to add some oil. Now I'm going to roll the festival them. And I just roll them in my hand just like that. Now I'm going to flatten them out to press out the air out of them. So just like that. I'm just going to continue till I finish all of them. So you just roll it, flat it out. Now I'm going to show you one more. So you roll and roll it. You press it out, get out all the air out of it. I'm also going to list all the ingredients below. So check below the video to get all the ingredients. Now the oil already hot, so I'm going to fry them now. When you're frying festival or you're frying dumplings, you don't want the oil too hot, okay? You just want it to be on medium heat. You see how they may look? They cook to perfection. Nice and fluffy, not too big. Alright, now I'm going to take the chicken out the oven. Look at that, my people. Chicken nice and juicy. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.